Hello, Candiners. How are you today? Today I want to share to you regarding how to start your career as a seafarer and what the benefit to be a seafarer in as to be your career. Because someday I have imagination that if I'm to be a seafarer, I can visiting some countries around the world, not spend money, but I get money for that because I'm a seafarer in this like adventure at the sea, meeting with other peoples around the world. It's very nice for me. For now, I want to start to share to you how to start your career as a seafarer. For the step one, uh, uh, of course, you must get educated, enroll in a certificate maritime academy or training center, choose a program that fits your goals. You need to maybe you are interested in deck or in the engine or catering department. Yes, it's up to you. But for the first time, uh, of course, you need to get educated. And for the step two, uh, complete your basic safety training. This is including firefighting, survival technique, first aid, and all mandatory before stepping on board. Because as a seafarers, this is mandatory to have all certificate, basic certificate to on board. And then step three. Completing the certificate, obtaining your STCW certificate and other required documents like a Siemens book and medical clearance, and also passport is important also if you are working in the foreign company in the foreign trading area. And then for step four, apply for job. If you have all your certificate, STCW is complete and basic training is complete, you have a Siemens book and also your passport, you can going to step four, that is apply for jobs. Yeah, of course, you need to looking for the entry level position like a cadet or trainee roles. Use maritime job portals or connect with crewing agencies like Candina. Candina is a big company, have a lot of seafarers around the world, so you can use Candina for your crewing agencies to onboard in the vessels. And with the training and determination, so I think your journey as a seafarer has begin. So you can adventure, travel, and growth await you at the sea. Okay, ready to sail? Follow us more maritime career tips, and we will share to you in our uh, Instagram, YouTube, and others our social media. Bye bye.